Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. We'll follow up on making a lens for the Marx 999 out of epoxy. As you see, the lens is finished and installed and actually looks like a lens. And this is just poured epoxy, as you see. And I let it set for about 15 minutes and it is ready to use. I pulled the tape off of the inside, installed the motor, and it is ready to run. So let's see how this looks. In most cases, it comes out exactly the same color as the number board. So let's see how this looks. And as you see, you have a lens in your 999 that is permanent and costs you nothing. It looks like a lens, it acts like a lens, and best of all, it was free. So it gathers a lot of light, as you can see. It's virtually the same color as the number board. It'll never wear out, it'll never get lost, it'll never get broken. It is virtually permanent. And if you buy a lens is about, I don't know, $4, $5. Of course, then they charge you $3.95 to put it in an envelope and mail it to you. This way you can make one in about 5 minutes that is permanent. It'll never come out, it'll never get lost, it'll never get broken, and it was free. That's the best part about it. So it looks like a lens and it acts like a lens. It gathers a lot of light, as you can see. So this Marx 999 was built completely out of junk parts. An old, I think it was a 666 or 1666 motor, a Canadian Pacific front crossbar, this old shell that's been repainted with Rust-Oleum semi-gloss black paint, and it now has a new lens. As you see, so this works. It works really, really well. It's really simple to do it. You have the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself and you didn't have to spend $8 for a plastic lens. Excuse me. Anyway, just wanted to do a follow-up on this. It's a really, really simple expedient to replace a missing lens in a Marx 999. As you see, that doesn't look bad at all. It looks like a lens, it acts like a lens. Best of all, of course, is the fact that it was free. It only takes a minute to do that. Put a piece of tape over the inside, fill the hole with 5-minute epoxy, form a dome on the end, let it cure, and you have a permanent lens in your 999 that costs nothing. And best of all, it works, and it looks like a lens. So it is an expedient, but it's simple, and it's free, and it works. That's the best part about it. So a really, really simple way to make yourself a lens. I mean, it seems redundant to buy a locomotive or build one out of a bunch of parts that are worth, $8, $10, and then spend almost that much to buy a lens for it. It just doesn't make any sense. But as you see, this works. It looks nice. It works well. It gathers light. That's the whole idea, is that it gathers light and guides it through that hole. And as you can see, that looks like a lens. It's really, really simple. It is permanent. You never have to remove it. It'll never get broken. And best of all, it works. And it costs absolutely nothing. So just a quick follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.